Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. This video is being posted on Tuesday, November 16th, 2021. Today I'm coming to you from our Electrical Construction Technology Lab inside Weaver Hall. Students, do you need help completing your FAFSA? Johnson College's Financial Aid Office will host a workshop tomorrow, November 17th, from 5 to 7 p.m. in the Health Science Technology Center Computer Lab. They will answer returning and incoming students' questions and help you complete the FAFSA form. If you're planning to attend, make sure you bring your FSA ID, 2020 income and asset information, and bank account balances. This event is free and open to the public. To register, email our financial aid department at ghedden@johnson.edu. Last week, our campus hosted representatives from the Appalachian Regional Commission, an economic development partnership agency of the federal government, along with members of Congressman Matt Cartwright's office and NEPA Alliance. Our visitors had the opportunity to see how our students benefit from the ARC Area Development Grants awarded to the college. These grants include a more than $76,000 grant that gave us the opportunity to purchase updated equipment to help our students develop the hands-on skills needed to advance their education and gain the experience that industry expects. And a $75,000 grant that, when paired with matching funds, will support the development of a mobile laboratory to deliver hands-on training at off-campus locations throughout Lackawanna, Luzerne, Monroe, Susquehanna, and Wayne counties. Thank you to our visitors who came to our campus, including the federal co-chair of ARC, Gayle Manchin, Congressman Matt Cartwright, and the president and CEO of NEPA Alliance, Jeffrey Box. We look forward to working together on more opportunities that help our students get the hands-on education that is in demand by industry. As I said earlier, I'm inside our Electrical Construction Technology Lab here on campus. This program prepares students as entry-level technicians for the operation, inspection, repair, maintenance, and safety of residential and commercial electrical equipment. In addition, they'll be prepared to be quality assurance technicians, linemen, or technicians for the power industry. Typical employers in the electrical field are telecommunications companies, utilities, union and non-union electrical companies, and manufacturing companies. As with most of our programs, students have opportunities to work and take their labs at industry partner locations. To learn more about electrical construction technology, visit our website, johnson.edu. This week, I want to thank all our industry partners who hire our Electrical Construction Technology Program graduates. Those partners include Automated Lifestyles, Cable Associates, Fastenal, Lockheed Martin, Simplex Homes, and Tobyhanna Army Depot, just to name a few. Thank you. Industry is our students' campus. And now for my final note of the week. As you all know, I love to hike. And now that we can get back to the gym, I've been participating in my other favorite form of exercise, group classes. I'm a member of Quest Studio, a woman-owned company right here in NEPA, and one that just celebrated its 5-year anniversary. Talia Walsh, the owner, and her team are about so much more than just offering exercise classes. They really take the time to get to know their members and look at the whole person and what they need to live their best life. They help with nutrition advice, recovery, and all-around wellness. They even have Thanksgiving Day classes so you can burn the extra calories and eat more that day without the guilt. I highly recommend you check out Quest Studio ahead of your New Year's resolutions if you're looking for something more than just a typical gym. Thank you to Talia and her team for providing great care and services. That's it for this week's presidential update video from our Electrical Construction Technology Lab here on campus. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.